So, how to get started with Python? So, what you really like to do first is, once you have the Python ID, alright, once you have the Python ID, here's a Python ID. So, this is the Python ID. And you could do anything. So far, I have made it, so far, I just, kind of made, mine a little bit, pretty good. Alright. So, you can put ID Classic, but for now, we're gonna put ID Classic. Alright, the first thing first. Oh, if you watched the first video, we talked about how to make a calculator. So what you really want to do first is, once you have the Python ID, this is it right here. This is what it's going to look like. You're not going to see this. You're going to see this. So what you do is put new file. Oh. So this is what it's going to look like once you hit new file. Let's say we're going to put we'll put hello world. That's pretty basic. But if you hit 1, okay, so we can put hello world. And what is this going to do is it's already going to bring you to this. So just save it. And look at that, it says hello world. But let's not look at this. This is my brother's PC. So ta-da, hello world. Awesome, right? So the cool thing is, it's just the same thing like this. So if I take this copy, hit Ctrl C, Ctrl V, hit F5, hit open, save, and look at that. That's the same thing. 21, and look at that. Now, this is a free basic calculator, but it's good. It can divide, it can times. It's just a basic calculator that you just need. Nothing too special. Nothing really good. But I can tell you one thing. You need to learn how to do variables. Variables are actually very important. Because this calculator program, variables, it will use the value of the variables to make its calculations. And that's pretty cool. So let's say if you have a equal 5, and we get 6 equals to 7, and what we could do is put these commands, and we can just put a plus, oh, I see this how. I have to put a number and t. Those are not the numbers that you usually put, but see, it makes 12 because 5 plus 7 equals 12. So this is kind of like a basic calculator already, but you have to set the variables, what multiple you need to do. And the good thing about this calculator is you don't have to, you can put, I'm gonna keep doing that. So we got Y, D, oh, got D, E. This is like literally the only thing that a simple calculator can do. Still learning. So then we just put plus, 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 plus. Alright, now we're just going to put A, T, Y, T, D, and E. And if you want this program, 34. That's the only thing that's pretty good with just using this, because really with this one, you kind of don't have that much space. You only choose only two numbers, like the first number, the second number. Oh wait, oh I see what I did here. You can only put numbers in there. See, I put the divide there. See, a little strict. Well, it's all for now.